Hello, my name is Mitja and you are watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial in which I will demonstrate how to use a call-response trick to write a catchy melody. A memorable and catchy melody is a key to making a song that gets played over and over again. A call-response technique is one of the most effective ways to accomplish this. It may be extremely beneficial to your track by creating tension, keeping the track moving smoothly, and quickly making your track catchy. In the next article, I will demonstrate how to employ this simple yet incredibly powerful technique. As usual, I prepared a short sequence in our SoundBridge DAW that contains most of the elements of the full mix with call-response melody that I made to accompany it. Let's take a listen. The last two channels in our sequencer are labeled melody call and melody response, as we can see. I first made the main melody, which contains all the notes you can hear in the first channel, which sound like this. Then I divided it into 4 parts, the second and third of which I copied to another channel called Melody Response. This MIDI channel is then assigned to a new sound, in this case a violin sound rather than a guitar sound. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.